The angle of polarization for any medium is 60 degree. The critical angle for the medium will be. This is also repeated question in the zipper. So how can you calculate it? So I already told you that 49 degree we can put our sine inverse. So like that the question is asked. How this answer comes? I think so. The polarization angle for medium is 60 degree. We know which law? Brewster's law. Mu is equal to tan IP. Mu is equal to tan IP. Therefore, mu is equal to tan 60. What is tan 60 value? √3. Mu is equal to 1 by sin C. Therefore, sin C is equal to 1 by √3. Therefore, C is equal to sine inverse of 1 by √3. This is the correct answer. These are the steps. Compare. It's an important thing. I don't understand.